Namaste. Hello friends. My name is Dr. Pranjal Chaure. I am an homeopath practicing in Nagpur since 2011. Welcome to my YouTube channel about homeopathic books. In this video, you will learn about different homeopathic books on various subjects. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe it. So let's start with today's video. Friends, today's topic is about books on the miasms. As you all know that without the knowledge of miasms, you cannot treat the chronic diseases. So we'll begin with the first book, that is Notes on the Miasms. This book is written by Mexican homeopath Dr. P.S. Ortega sir. This book was published in 1980. That was the first English edition. It is available on IBPP. It has total 18 chapters. The first chapter is about Hahnemannian thought. Second one is about Hahnemannian theory of miasms. Chapter 3 is conditions for accepting the doctrine of miasms. Chapter 4, what some of the great homeopaths have thought about the miasms. Chapter 5, a general discussion of the miasms, the basis of their recognition, deficiency, excess and prevention. Chapter 6 is Sora. Chapter 7 is psychosis. Chapter 8 is syphilis. Chapter 9 is illustrative material on the evident clinical manifestation of the miasms taken from various colleagues who have assimilated our interpretation and application of Hahnemann's doctrine of miasms. Chapter 10 is degenerative diseases and the miasms. Chapter 11 is application of the doctrine of miasms to the treatment of the patient. Chapter 12 is application of doctrine of miasms to human affinities and social relations. Chapter 13 is about definition of the symptoms. Chapter 14 is about miasmatic classification of medicines in function of their symptoms. Chapter 15 is miasms and eugenics. Chapter 16, the doctrine of miasms as it relates to general human problems. Chapter 17 is summary of conclusion, and chapter 18 is technique of applying the Hahnemannian miasmatic doctrine. Well, this is a recommended book for all the homeopathic doctors. Second book is a comparison of chronic miasms, that is Sora, Pseudosora, Syphilis and Psychosis by Dr. Phyllis Pite. Well, Phyllis Pite, she is a female homeopath. She has written more than 12 homeopathic books on various subjects. She has more than 35 years of clinical practice experience, and also this book was published in the year 1961. It contains comparisons of miasms from mind to skin sections. Next book is The Chronic Miasms with Repertory. This book is written by Dr. J. Henry Allen. He is a very stalwart homeopath, as you all know. He needs no introduction. He was a professor at Herring Medical College, Chicago, USA. The rearranged and augmented edition was published in the year 2007. The publisher are the B-Gen publishers. It contains 2 volumes. Volume 1 is Sora and Pseudosora, and Volume 2 is Psychosis, and both the volumes are combined in the book. This book is a very in-depth discussion on the theoretical side of the miasms. This book gives a full and exhaustive description of actions on the miasms in all its form, and also about the diseases and complications that may arise eventually. Second volume deals with psychotic symptoms present in different stages of the disease. Besides this, a complete therapy of gonorrhea, kidneys, bladder and urinary organs in general, with treatment of dysmenorrhea. So this is a recommended book. You should definitely purchase it and read it. The third book, and very important book, is also Miasms, Syphilis and Psychosis by Dr. Fortier Barneville. Well, as you all know that Dr. Fortier Barneville is an eminent homeopath from France. He is a French homeopath, and this book was published in 2006 in English. The translation from the articles published originally in French was translated by Dr. Rajkumar Mukherjee sir. The articles of this book first published in La Homéopathie Moderne, that is number 8 in the year 1935, number 13 in the year 1933, and number 6 in the November 1934. The article on psychosis and warts first published in English in Hahnemannian Gleanings number 11 in the year 1970. So you should definitely read it, and all the details about syphilis and psychosis have been given by Dr. Fortier Barneville. Next book is Indications of Miasm by Dr. Harimohan Chaudhary. So, he's a renowned homeopath from India. Second edition was published in 2005. His publishers are the Bijan Publishers. This book is an analytical compilation of Dr. Samuel Hahnemann's theory of miasms in treating acute and chronic diseases. Indications of different miasmatic states have been described in detail. It also includes miasms for cancer, TB, AIDS, etc. and mixed miasms with their treatment. So you should definitely purchase it. The next book on miasms is the Miasmatic Prescribing. It is written by Dr. Subrata Kumar Banerjee. It also contains a free CD on miasms. The first edition was published in 2001. Dr. Subrata Kumar Banerjee has more than 26 years of clinical experience. This book contains 9 parts. Part 1, Philosophy and Utility of Miasm. Part 2, Miasmatic Diagnostic Classification. Part 3, Miasmatic Diagnosis of Clinical Classification. Part 4, Miasmatic Ancestral Tips. Part 5, Miasmatic Repertory. Part 6, Miasmatic Weightage of Medicines. Part 7, Modern Clinical Prescribing Practical Approach. Part 8, Miasmatic Interpretation in Prescribing. And Part 9, Look and Diagnose the Miasm. Another small book we have, it's a comparative study of chronic miasm by Dr. Y.R. Agrawal. Well, Dr. Y.R. Agrawal is a Rajasthan homeopath. He's a very renowned homeopath from India, and he has written many various books on different subjects. The first edition of this book was published in the year 1979. Publisher of the Vijay Publications, Delhi, available on IBPP. It contains information about what is miasm and evolution of miasm, acute and chronic miasm, various miasms with characteristic symptoms of psora, psychosis, syphilis, pseudosora that is tubercular miasm. Also about scrofula, cancer and mixed miasms. Comparative study of different miasms, treatment plan of miasms, anti-miasmatic remedies, miasmatic concept in organon, repertory of miasm, bacteriology and homeopathy and other constitution. You should definitely purchase this book. Next book is Tubercular Miasm Tuberculins by Dr. Farooq Master Sir. Farooq Master Sir does not need any kind of introduction. He is a world-renowned homeopath. This first book was the first edition of this book was published in the year 1992. Publishers are the Bijan Publishers. It contains introduction about the miasms, secondary symptoms of tuberculosis, a portrait of tuberculinum, psychobehavioral characteristics, bacillinum, tuberculinum, a comparison that is with the other remedies, indications of uncommon and common remedies used in tubercular conditions, tubercular miasm, diathesis and dyscalculia, treatment for tubercular miasm, tuberculinum in verses. And last but not the least is the miasma by Dr. Harsh Nigam Sir. Well, Harsh Nigam Sir is a MBBS, MD Physiology, and he has done his MF in homeopathy from United Kingdom. His first edition of this book was published in the year 2012. The book answers following burning questions. First, why should you know miasma? What is miasma as per Hahnemann? What is miasma by other stalwarts, that is Dr. Kane, Dr. Allen, Dr. Roberts, Dr. Julian and others? Immunity and miasma link. Miasma role in etiology and pathology of disease. Miasma in management and prognosis of cases. There are other books on miasms also. So if you have any idea about them, please let me know. And the knowledge of miasms is very important for the treatment of chronic diseases, without which you will be not able to treat any kind of chronic diseases. So please buy these books and read it. Thank you for watching the video.